Shakti is granddaughter of world most famous tigress muchali, daughter of Krishna. T111 or Shakti, beautiful 3 cups, sub-adult. Morning safari of 3rd May 22. They all are full stomach, so hope they enjoyed a kill. Now mother took them towards the water hole for drinking water and relax near the water hole. Wow, what a golden light. Look at the color of tiger in the morning, about 7:15 a.m. First cub coming towards the water hole. Now 2 cubs following him and also going towards the water hole. Mother still on the hill and watching them from the top of the hill, because in the water, the fresh water crocodile. So mother is worried, and now you can see she is jumping from the rocks, big rocks, very straight down and watching the cubs. See how they're jumping down from the rocks, very steep. And now she come down. नहीं Finally, she arrived on the water hole and enjoying the water and calling the cubs. You can see the tail sign and body language. You can see how she allowing the cubs on the water hole. On the jamun tree, black plum tree, langur monkey making warning call because now tiger is too close. All of them near the water, enjoying the water. सब में खिलाएंगे। Hope you enjoyed the beautiful video of mother and 3 calves in Ranthambore doing very well. Please subscribe, share and comment on my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Thank you Shakti T111 for wonderful sighting. Make us great day. Thank you. माँ बेटी की जोड़ी बस सही है, ये दोनों साथ ही देखे।